name is Melissa. This is Romeo.
Hi.
And we're going to travel to that island.
Let's
3,
go.
2, 1, let's go. Hey, Romeo. I am going to leave my eggs with you so you can put them in that tree.
Okay, darling.
Don't remember, don't leave them right here.
Okay, darling.
Put them in that tree.
Okay, darling. Go get some food. I'll be back. See you later, eggs. What the hell? Where are the eggs gone? I just went to go get some food.
Where did you leave them?
Right here. I don't know where the tree's gone, but I left them right here.
Where is the water gone?
I don't know. It's that darn sea. I'll go talk to that darn
I hate
sea.
you.
Oh sea, oh sea, oh sea. Can I have my eggs again?
Yes, only if you apologize.
I'm sorry, sea.
Okay, me. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Thank you, sea monster.
I'll never come back to the sea.
Okay.
Oh my God! Where did you get them from?
The sea.
How did you?
This one's good.
How?
Don't throw it.
I said sorry to the sea.
What? Is it nice?
I don't know.
Okay. We need to travel somewhere very high. Where we can put somewhere else.
Okay, let's go. Honey, we're here. We're here, honey.
Yay!
Let's put our eggs up here.
Here, okay. Did you see you get them? They look very big.
Thanks for watching, guys.
And then when I come
Yay.
back, I'm gonna be